no almost say enuro akese yen said the memnu apanyi di kan offenti ene ye side dwumadie enu nti yesi so ba na say impo enuro kra na wo say de mawa ya sa afamu fa nti o de an say obeba
o de an say obenta appearance
that's all na bra ne hwe pressure ma afei ye hwe blood sugar enu so ye hwe ma free if you say dodo na edidi a edidi no or how bebre ti bra ne hwe ma afei enemu yare ahodo de di kan hepatitis enu so ye say ye hwe ma free a ye nji hu ska bia afei syphilis enkikawa enu so ye hwe ma free obi yeso onkotwa scan na onkotwa no onya scan kotwa bra ne ntwa ma free obi a obeba bia e betwa scan na ma free
enu an say wo dey I scan you know report no beba
ye twa ma free afei ye hwe gonorrhea chlamydia ni nyina so ye be hwa ma afei urine analysis ye be ye ni nyina ma Joe Johnson ni ahwehwe ma hwe yare wa e wo sa Johnson mu na ho akwankyere bi ye de be ma no ye de ama afei ye full blood count na sa full blood count no ya de a ye twimoja na so pese ohun blood group a ye be hwa ma so pese ohun say yare bi wo moja no mo no so ni nyina ye be hwa ma
genotype level
ni nyina ye hwe sa afei genotype so ye betima hwa ma
genotype no ye de abo abe no
say bia sickle cells yes ne ade no
chirim
no ye ni nyina ye hwe wo ho afei ye sa hwe kidney ente bia na ye be ye nephritis wa ha ye be hwe kidney ho yare ye hwe o kidney na ma ye hwe se yare bi ewo mu ana se yare anim if say ye dwumadi esunko kra ewo ye nipadua no afei so liver so ye liver profile ni nyina ye ya ma
liver profile no mo hwehwe liver no se ne city ana
David o man ye hwe o liver no ya hwe se so liver no ni condition ewo no eni yare bia if say liver no so yi honam dua ya eno na the second largest part of the body
eno ka liver transplant
won't mean to ya Ghana ha say
kan kra na nye se si asukra wa na enyi ni liver no onu nkowo yeso obi anya accident na adam prumpro yetima yi ni liver store
sa iti yesi tutumika bra enya semketo akra so ba na se ye hwe owie na se enuro wo ho a wo se ye de mawa yesi asa afa mu fa na wo de wo betu afa na fa unuro ko na konom ye ho ya hwe wa kwa akira ye 2 weeks 2 weeks na a period de mawo enti obi a wa ba bia so di adanse kintampofo afre so mo ba sa so na tebufo so afre se enne de kwan bia so timigidi se by now de ho ayema enra ye koduro 6 something you duro na line ayema kra ma ye sa ko fa nkonya foforo ti utifie eye den ye se tutumika bra na ye nhwe Semens Herbal Clinic aye kira kwan wa Asokore Mampon ye ni Asokore Mampon Rural Bank na edi nhwe animu u free tech a ubenya kai beba be si o ye animu ho pe sanso na aboabo post office ubenya ka o Dr. Mensa ubenya ka Sofo line no abesi wa aboabo post office na wa fa ka ba Asokore Mampon uduru anu asi o Roman sorry dan no ho anaso Omanhene statue no ho no abusa Semens akra keto akra be tiro de nani be tiro
Semens
tibra 0240
0240
61 60 and your number frame near my mutrimu
na just say agan so di ADM free
say eno dey we say ademre bia let me tell us you be di nkomo mama me sorry no before say chairman na da agan na sana
it's no Semens Vital Herbal Mission oh
yes I na say do be say agan no kra
ya twam ogo Semens Vital no ko bia kra
obi ko busa ya da edro bi si o say we no na me ko say ya agan o di egu ya tro agan
o ma sa de Ju2 class abeka ho
Ju2 as a manage fans as a manage Ju2
everyday
be man ko bo adwuma wi a o si Ju2
esu ogugui na ube kofie de bi show de ya pa o man enra ye pon ya kofie na wo say mema bi gira ye nkomo ne masa ye ne kofie okwo ya ho di ni mi ho eti wodi shensu say akama say
na kan charge
yes etu ye be man na
na o ya kokrakra ma oba no nso sa ba sheet
kotobi na chema unim de esre ana bi usa say Viagra na enye Viagra purely herbal na ahaba bi wo ma yentumi modin Saudi na de oyen chese Saudi Arabia ana ye de be dry pa ese prekese eno na e ma ade ne instant eti se onum agan a wa che kra at least 5 minutes e wo se sha se keka ne ho eti se utie na e be ma koto agan na you say chama ebi o baby a baby na afi de any kan say enye mema nko anenom e ma anenom iti be ma
ma no say ma o ma tinka
o libido no
oba bi o no ma na oda ho aset timedia
pa wano magan na bibi how na be ko oba me penentem oboa libido ni ho oba no ti be ma wo no ma to bi ma yere no no so no
mienu nyina mo bo
you want a mixture you want a capsules na chema de nkofo nim say serious waste pains agan ne tenete koko etenete afi mu a obi say o say ni na se twetwe etenete
sciatica
wo de an se to agan
o to afre yen 0240
0240
61
61
60
60
61
61
o frɛ a ye be kyerɛw dosage a obenom for condition a dey afrɛ chairman ye be sorry na ne sorry ne kyerɛ amanfo say o kyina nso so no ye gusu ye free screening no it is a uti from anopa 7 to anwumere 4 na ye kyena it uti ya entwe ma ne mpa ho no wafrɛ bra enne anaso o kyina e first one nya excuse because ewu oba e hwɛ sensu otontu obegya ho that's the chairman.
Thank you very much and you enjoy your day. Okay. All right. Abusiafo ya share ni mu say grace gift for nso so ebetwem na ye no omo atwetwe nkomo ECG prepaid credit ho nsem na Katie Hammond so tell your kai no osem rante na abegu ha no ye bu man a ye mfa mo amamuti aye te se kube na mo jejina mo dwese de na lamkro already I go for on a lighter note. Sometimes these things are funny, but what can you say? We are near the yesterday. Now, Mr. Moa and some importers, can Yan Shani new Juma because so Moka said the new exchange rate may create problems. Now, Omunim de Omoka. It is a very serious issue. Na mame kwa homano so na mene Samson Awingo bit in Chuchin Komo. He's executive secretary to Importers and Exporters Association. Samson, now what to say?
Me hoye papa me hoye. Oche.
Men so me hoye pa. Samson na moka say new exchange rate our port duties. Ebetime at the high cost of goods and services aba. Uchire mu say tax for fraud. Another da ni atumu chire mu kakra no pay.
You me that me chow for na and that's up to buy na. The channel say me treat the empty say odiano. Nte one got a point maybe perhaps I have to
don't worry na me no wedding go matches yetini nyina why?
That's you. No, back to the point. The point is I buy when you say Oko Fanema free among the baby to my potter. What your duty? Now I never know. Now I could trade it now. Now it's based on dollar rate now. Bank of Ghana, the Commercial Bank say trade no so interbank rate so now interbank rate no it's very lower and cheaper than our black market rate now. You say the dollar 80 new bank. The whole black market rate say 10 to 9 levels and this are to $1 and so we're so surprised that now for my 8 years in practice no I've never come across custom rate that's not such a high astronomically sorry last week the dollar rate custom you say a calculation 7.2. Now the following week about and to say cost 7.3 and now 7.4 and now 7.5 and now $8 using calculated but it went straight to 9.5. Maybe I will say, oh share difference now. And let me say, what I buy now increase now $1.50. Now that $1.50 on duties there times the number of people are being named now. What okay? I buy is Nicodemusly trying to introduce me say a tax na a Libya and a devil thinking say you for the young. But the point is say you are cool almost say they monitor to see what is happening at the port, what are the best practices the port authorities including service providers are rendering to get before Now, anything draw a buying attention where it's not necessary, where you think that it's in front with international Imrana, yes, we are signing up. Because mind you, Ghana is not trading on its own island. We also trade with other partners. Now, we have conventions and treaties. Ghana is a signatory to. We have WTO, we have World Customs Organization, WTO. Now, these are protocols and conventions. You are signing, you have Ghana. It went through our local parliament, then it has been rectified, then it will be implemented. And so we cannot violate certain international practices, best practices. The first question say, last week, calculated duty based on 7.2. About less than 1 week, and now within 1 week, now I didn't pick that from 7.2 to 9.5. What were the differences? What are the challenges? And you will say, no. So offer statement now, military journal. No, be against so 78,000 as of last week. No, Tuesday I say, hey, madam, for you have to go and cover about 20, and I just 25,000. About account this now,
Samson, Sammy, and I just say, Port no now they've stopped using the interbank rate and they are using the rate as the black market are selling, Meboa.
Well, I know the problem no, because you shared last week and last week, said Bank of Ghana, the police in Namco, check black market for because I want to say, the rate now it's not approved by government and also it is not approved by Bank of Ghana, so it is putting burden on the Ghanaian city. And
that's right.
It's a bank rate. I said, okay, you're going to say this week, bank rate at saying, interbank rate, what's the rate? Oh, so your producer are there. Just let them check the interbank rate. And then also say, that's an interbank rate. Because I buy my cocoa in Kita load ever $750 million ever. It was going to beat down and put stability and confidence in the Ghanaian city. And I said, and to say, about that, so if you have to do anything, to cushion the business community, to cushion Ghanaians, it should be the business community first. Because there are more taxes about from then never so about from. But say what increase more by $1.50. Look, you are clear name as 78,000. Your statement, one was a page of 140,000. Another one was supposed to pay the 88,000. They did a page of 102,000. What is it? Because that difference on $1.50 now with the two international. A page amount for this. So, what was it? It is not just a Jalina or the house on the show. Jalino or the house on the show, agent or the house on the show, every port authorities say. Because a banner and a judge for the okay, me and family never forgot you coming with them, never got the government to charity. And they will pass through Africos, they will pass through Benin, Togo.
Okay.
And they found ways and this amendment to this country. Is that what the government is looking for? No. And the old people, the agents are multi terminal. Then how much transact for more age man yet? And I said, what if this narrow? Maybe last week, Friday, agents now fair import and not catch us, import or to say commerce. Massa, you customer there back. Maybe the SIS 78,000. Okay, and then maybe Monday. Monday, Joe, what I so, Papa and my makers, oh, no, me just can be, say, a Baba do compensate, but and do to the young boy Tuesday. Tuesday, bar. The part of the say, but it's time for my agent or chair this man. After agent myself say, Madame Pacho, I become I don't know. This is not change rate now. Now you see 7.2. To see a customer picture for 9.5. And so we sound 25,000 embrabe. 78 on your view. Now Obaka was compare at least 25,000 back and 100 to 100,000.
Okay. Okay. Yes, I pay okay. But yes, yeah, I will go between Casano. I think if I check, I'm saying interbank rate is about 9.75. But we call the black market 10.1, 10 points. But the Omu Kenyan say the interbank rate is what should be used. Our pot. So the black market, yeah, not just say it is illegal because the Bank of Ghana gives a rate. And you know, Mufi say the Omo ya ne pot no. Omo the black market na bomba omo a. Ema prices of goods ebe cost no movie says importers will send it back to us na me man dem akoso honorable Collins admako
boss
minim say wo de nka wonka ye ho ne na mete say wo aba Kumasi so wo twam and am so wo twam dia me ma kwan na da bi edi nkomo ayi phone so na ene wa ba die definitely until kakra na ye didn't come out kakra about IMF. And no can of say 5-member committee. And omo engage stakeholders on the issues that has to do because Adea Akye Abia told ya na ye debt restructuring. Bi mo say the how be break Ghana ye debt portfolio no sondo don't know and IMF kra no ye be bre ni ade. We are finance committee member parliament. Nti basa anema we are. Menim say aban ni mu din komo bebre kura ansana ya tetibi. Mami ntie IMF debt restructuring o ene sika aban ni pe between the neighborhood of $3 to $4 billion. So they be bo man no. Kenofrata say we are growing about 3.4%, which means say near more than there na so ye koye nima anisa mame enti wanope
well minya me watching na me chia minya NDC ni patodi ni the same
a particular on a 10 coordinator
yes me tie a couple of times but me share no personally
yes or hard dream papa
oh yeah there
what be
I enjoy youth I mebu no more
Collins another Collins better munti you are ambushed there no problem all right
I congratulate him the oye and me akasa me nua ishai so de me no fine
yes sir boy guy bia
down as this document
they say Kwaku Junior o Kumasi no
district colonial judge
oba I say you can't say Gadgesburg boots Pacho wait say nani abre he wants to let you know say he's a communicator. We are on the document.
34% inflation.
All right. Bobby Teo from IMF.
And okay, you know IMF for no. Now say IMF program on the 1st of July, if I remember. And within a week, Omo Ghana ever start say more preliminary discussions. I don't know for any fact-finding mission. On Bishia Parliament, on Bishia members of the Finance Committee. Now, if you want to so, Omako Asaba, I think it's twice or so. And I think a real negotiations, Nakasa. Now, during this time, this is the time I bind in the program. To their friend, homegrown program neighbor. Now, there were issues about, say, Abino is not engaging enough. Now, in your NDC 4 times a day, there was a century. Our friend will be and now we read these statements and I was very, very excited. Oko point 16, and with your permission, this document has already benefited from input from key stakeholders, including civil society, social partners, that's labor unions, employers, academia, industry professionals, and the leadership of parliament. Additional stakeholder engagement will be held to solicit further input for the program.
There's already kind in
common. All this while, as a BBM question, there was a lot of things going on behind the scenes. In fact, me aware said just last week or so, Omushia leadership of parliament, including both sides of the house. Omushia the first time with parliament, many out of force, if I recall, Ebusa said, can the NDC as a political party, can they make inputs into the program? I am a foreign catcher almost at the meetings. Oh, why not? They are at liberty to do a paper to them. Now, Menyanti say, from a very reliable source, the NDC has done so.
Oh, okay.
And you know what it means. They say, you be a homegrown program. Let's just say, views from everybody. Now, I mind they be okay. Or see programming, or she say, at the end of the day, the Ghanaian will not be worse off. and no na ye bompa say as they go into the negotiations no omoma Ghana and I'm sure say God aban so aka say it will go with that kind of mindset. So the be in the program ebe no ebe ma ye nyina en high. It's an IMF program when him so no employment into nipa into me say but aban is saying say we should be rest assured say obi making sure say at the end of the day the Ghanaian people will not be worse off. Now IMF program we are there because of some very very simple process. Revenue expenditure. Your revenue say the percent yenyan amanasa your expenditure so cost the amount deficit no ayekese.
And you are blaming NDC Parliament for to some extent. Can be on the basis of
me personally the won't say me say me cancer because I don't argue that way. I don't argue that way. Media we a leader, you take responsibility. There are challenges, we take responsibility for it. But you are sure the Ghanaian populace say the baby and at the end of the day, no, by the time my mandate in the best we can be proud and bold to tell the Ghanaian people say more renew your mandate. To me, I don't apportion blames. Okay. Of course, you need the course. That's right. You need the course for Parliament. In case me pass no by December last year December, January I started. But a chair could do it. Of course, you can apportion bottom line. We are in leadership. It's our mandate to see now Ghanaian economy I am confident say by the time I be your turn we can be bold to go to the Ghanaian people say
are you that positive with IMF at your neck? Because the next budget will be IMF induced.
A very very critical budget. I said this is not the first thing I hear IMF induced budget.
And most often than IMF induced budget, if you are not careful, well, it sends you to a position.
It is very clear to everybody. So we have issues with our expenditure side. It's government does not have an option. It may cut some expenditures.
And where do you think government
that is
should
where
cut?
the difficult and the leadership is lonely. We are president is very lonely. It could share no last half house now. Will be a Canadian will be career and the decision lies with him. Honor lonely no. Into no kwatwa it's if years at a and teacher trainee and I say a nurses trainee a 100 year it's a decision for the president and the man here lonely. But something must give. There's no doubt about it. Something must give. So there be a bit more fiscal space to breathe. And for the past 2-3 days, when we say among four are getting worried about restructuring. Debt
That's
restructuring.
right. What is debt restructuring?
First of all, let me assure Ubia Wosikawa Bank, don't panic. There's no need of Russia banks who use it.
Because you see, baby, the haircut.
Yes. There's no need of Russia banks who use it. That's not it. And probably bring you be frame. Hey, all into me go you free bank and there. It has nothing to do with your savings. It has nothing to do with your current account. Now, what is a haircut? I buy two major descriptions for debt. They were external and domestic debt. Domestic normally I buy borrow through T-bills and bonds. Now I buy say me just get free Omanhene Yaw, my 100,000. After 6 months, me try say no. And no moment idea to the extent say I buy is unable at this point to say oh time no so I'm scam say yeah. And into no branding discuss it. A quite be fast wa. Says can I say me the man watch now. Be a maintenance in this case oh maybe next week and I mean next 2 weeks. Debt restructuring is just a discussion about
just an extension
the terms of the contract. That's all. As Wako Bank Akoji loan. Now time also say Utiaka. Wako Bank Jones oh and you mean to the mesremo next 2 weeks. That's one aspect of it. The other aspect they say a buy space market just say she can say the meaning a bad disemetria. It can some amount 20%. It's massive.
No amount 15%. Never 5 in nature.
Never 5 HM. And only head cut. Now normally no in finance no a bank take a decision. The first priority is not the individual. It not make catch will be as a individual, not to TB as a person. Don't panic. A bank will normally deal with corporate organization. To say bank as a bank, I got to TB.
Our money any huge.
But they target those people because most of these institutions have reserves. It's all category. They are able to stand on their feet, unlike the individual. Okay. So we are there. The bank will suffer a little bit of
margins.
But I'm saying this because said the finance no a very very fluid. unim na ko kanse no anka ne ya say de na nkofo feel say ese ko fa isika fi bank. Finance ministry released a statement say one of the prerequisites to a program no, is a debt sustainability analysis. And omo ba be fa oka nyina no ma hwehwem ebuso omo say ya fa revenue na ya fa debt no obetime aka na. You know, you have to demonstrate say you are in a position to pay oka ode. And normally IMF they don't lend to debt distressed economies. It's, you know, so debt and cry who are the stress level. I say we a program demonstrated say IMF say you have a program to take you out of that situation. And mama sebe mama uska. So that's the whole issue about the debt restructuring. So be anka na come to them. And non stress usika da banka sebe ashe ananse ayra. No. In fact, the individual is the last person cry Abai will look at. It's even possible. Say Abai will not go to the haircut issue. They will deal more with an extension. But I don't know the way they are. And I will catch the infant next 2 weeks. So you just have to have a discussion with your lenders. No, now you can't be fast. But Obianka na come and government assure say as they go into this negotiation. No, I'm happy to say there's a broad consultation. It's in a program. A program will favor everybody. And I've done quite for Nadwaka. Or say there are some programs that he can assure Ghanaians and the social intervention programs on person ordinance Abeka. So maybe say if you no.
Is it up to him to say so on person Abeka? And I say by extension, near my be free more banner. So IMF, because in your statement you said something will have to give.
So IMF normally first pan no omoba o country they impose the program on you. Yeah. This time now, omoma wo wakwenya.
Now what do aba?
Now what the aba? And it's our feel so person keep free SHS. The end now person you free. And no the wo aba is your decision.
So bet me about say free SHS.
Yes.
School uniforms ni nyina ma aba ayi form and
you are buying decision. And your program out there.
But free SHS in there.
But Nana has assured us a free SHS there is untouchable. He doesn't intend. And me crime what if you just break. Okay, so you free SHS there mega. Because I know the impact it is having on my constituency.
Okay.
Yes. But the other expenditures are buying for say, okay, it's you know a kind. They say is kind. So I buy bet market. Okay, this year because I 30,000 kilometers of road.
May 15.
And then you know a way of cutting down your expenditure. I buy so ministers 70%, maybe 50. Any decision by the government.
If the opposition says man to 2 million a year, now man expenditure they were telling you your government size huge. So I'm in a hurry. More Bobosian bond market $12 billion. You have nothing to show. Near my more so and yet. Return on investment no mo de agina so ase mo na man to mo niema ye na ama ya bedu baby adri. COVID and Ukraine war is a factor, but mo am niema to anko. How do you answer them?
So this from guys you have nothing to show. They know they are not being truthful. Every year parliament it will be by a friend debt management report every year. I have a copy in my car. Loan bia obeji bia no there's a purpose. It is ending in the
but that has been their sing song. How do you respond to them? But they know
what they are saying is not true. Say I did loan for Swami. It's supposed to start probably in October thereabout.
Yeah.
It is a start here. I have nothing to show. I have nothing to show. Me chrome if you don't have enough. You're coming from a hinkro to Chichere. I have nothing to show. How can you say I have nothing to show? Every loan be a GBR, there's a purpose. It's a political argument or more you making. You know, even your loan book is a CA. Your friends say nice work airport. A third phase say the echo. Offer debt management report na can be. And now do I could be Nancy call Kalio 3 point something megawatts solar panel.
Yeah.
It can be. So nobody can argue say you don't have nothing to show. And the normal political argument.
Last debt management report. I'm present
every year.
My Sunday copy there now.
Until I say that argument there.
Member of Parliament to see when you and everybody we all have it.
And finance committee they be a court now to have a discussion on it. It's in America say sometimes you call Accra. Say when a Pogwa's interchange. A candidate management report now. Oko Obechebi cycle. A candidate management report now. And the head drug carriage. Oko a fence Oko Nungwa. Teshi Ekotema. It's ongoing. A candidate management report now. So as for those arguments, they political. And sometimes you just so because sika ebosa ya boy who the idea and normal political gimmick. I'm not interested in that kind of gimmick.
Okay.
But indeed, so because I'm catch say yeah Bobby Siado, yeah Bobby Siado, yeah Bobby Siado. Of course, I heard some of those comments from our NDC friends, and Abansu was very mindful. But Aban at the time on Unia, that time Nana Yeje OJ Bobby Siano, you had a way of repaying. Because the economy was strong enough for you to take care of your repayment. And I keep telling people, Obi to me cancer COVID, no. Me tell Obi cancer COVID, no impact. I just don't understand. Last Obi, me and this in Ibi. I say I COVID by Sika. I am for the my yang, Sika wa bang my yang, and can you see a brace? I am a Sika a COVID report na the ban. Wouldn't say Sika size cannot mania, it was a loan. A loan, it's part of our debt. So COVID, it has increased our debt. So this argument about, you know, the COVID debt,
the transparency reports about how transparent the COVID
is. And we can have our political year about it. But I've not seen any economy. Abayamba, Akase, Ubia, and any economy, and any situation. In Ghana, since I'm many fee, and I'm sure say Minia and a linear penny. Minia sure say one a time I just swam magazine.
2 weeks.
Mobi Uncle Baby airport my plane to port my ship for
for almost a whole year.
We've never had that situation before. A golden tulip shut down, tourism off.
For a whole year.
For a whole year. How were you expecting your revenues to meet your revenue target? It was obvious that you're going to have challenges. It was obvious you're going to have massive challenges. ABC Krada. That's never happened before. And revenue air falling. I might also say, COVID, we are repair. I might say my fanhoka. And panel bed as my fa. A draw bed no mafa. What young Kenyan. Sabi the two baby a cassie and then I might say, yeah, the answer I'm ready. Hey, massa. And yeah, easy, sir. I can't say, we can't take blame. Say them by me kind. We a leader. No matter the situation, you have to be bold to confront the challenges.
Situation.
Yes, the situation. So yes, we will take the blame. But let's say me and this before. In command, they tell us what the problem is and who to blame.
They don't give you solution.
I'm not hearing that.
The alternative.
I'm not hearing that. Say if COVID by what would be their approach? I'm not hearing that. It's covered by and common will be anchored. And common yes, Anna. And 70% of the Ghanaian population are informal. That's what tongue insurance where they didn't know. Pay money. What was going to be their approach? Obi Yareko COVID hospital. Obi anything. What was going to be their approach? So, be that it's me, Unia. Everybody must agree. Say we are in tough times. Your challenges, but I'm confident. Say. By the time this negotiation in Nigeria, Ghanaians will be better.
All right, Patrick, Mami Brownche. How is your campaign going? Deputy Communication Officer Ashanti. Ekoye. Okay.
Party Bekasa. We your party here, we your party Bekasa.
Okay.
The party will speak, and it's going on well. Mamentia. Minya no penifo am no machia na is a huna person
obia filo
na kakra na document attend exhibit then senior Ghana nkoma yedia na de ya na mane ye ya ne se yehu ansesan bia AC wo man nim ade cha de se nyina ase ya na ese and no nema asem ne ye ya no on say you can find yourself in a problem, but there are signals of say Adea no year. Even though undru hompo no, e mo ni that's what say. Oh, said the name si ko yi ye. Oh dear, Faber said the last 1 year. Never key indicators what Ghana has seen. Fire inflation, fire exchange rate, fire
debt to GDP.
Nina keep deteriorating.
Interest rate.
BPSA say o draw graph. Nina turn it down, and it is descending at a very high speed. And utneche now, especially at least me finance, I can have a pass in finance. They got finance as well to make at least you have a fair idea of finance. Right? Who said there's virtually no economy? Omanhene Yaw keke. It didn't Ghana no ho, but urema economy be new. People are just mentioning figures to us for us to hear. Omo can some say be ya beto or yasum keke. In reality, nothing is happening. This country is virtually dead.
Dead?
Right? If you live in a country, reserve I drop here to around 3 billion. Do you have an economy? Right? If you hear do baby away. You see, do maybe a home say ye the or my mount say if you outside the
3 billion. What's the source? If I can,
because I'm told it was around 7. And
3 billion.
Because it was 9 billion and it came to about 7.
Yes, the last time the finance minister was in parliament, Obama, I think that was the
supplementary
budget. Check it.
No,
so,
that's the thing I make because I was there. It was the finance committee report to parliament, and mistakenly, the report captured our reserves as 3 billion.
But it came.
But remember, so the following day, the chairman of the finance committee, Honorable Kwarteng, then raised the issue. He came with a document, and it was admitted by the speaker for him to read that to amend the report, which is normal practice.
So it's been amended.
It's been amended in the House.
So it's 7 points.
Yes. So in that
7 billion.
But whilst he was doing that, the NDC raised issue say, "Omo expected so or no obey." But they are waiting for the Bank of Ghana report. And Bank of Ghana reports to Parliament every quarter. That is why I'm just cautioning him. Say that 3 billion was amended in the House
on the
by
floor.
the chairman of the finance committee.
Okay.
On the floor, of course.
Okay.
That's why I was drawing his attention.
All right. Thanks for the correction. Yentuaso.
Bro, 3 billion. If you are buying the buy, as at now, Bank of Ghana and my contrary figure. As I sit here, I still stand by it to say it is still 3 billion.
Until it comes.
Yes. Ube to my track or say 12 year amended. But we are looking for the right source now. And the right information. And to some the new one, I have every right to use 3 billion to do my analysis. And that is why I'm using it. And it's still 3 billion. Now me can be about Omanhene Yaw Brian say uyo be a watch me like maybe I go school here but you want to understand Ghana. Adea easy so the be who say Omanhene Yaw said the name of Bosi Kosho. O de okodwoma wan kasa enema a woto mo a muti dwoma mudidwa mo nema a moton asa mo koto na maba beton busa won say ye sha afiase ade na woton no and so universal so I don't need to be specific ade bia na woton in January besi enne September ya yete Sompa FM studio he kasa busa say na o de gisen in January na busa say ne wa de na woton o de gisen se na wokotu de ba se wokotu a na eyesen enne wokosa wokotu a eyesen enti enkomo na ye die no afi ye hia and the GDP of the inflation of the day and then for ansa na obeti ase o ye nya brofo kese ne and the finance of the GDP of the one the inflation no Adea Ghana for are feeling it Ghana ni bia ehunu obi a owodwom ohunu de okwa akoto ohunu ene edidie kwa yedin okroma ba oni pa bebre amende omomanu ye ka so bi amende ne menu a se de osifa didie bebre asesa no apart from say bi bo 011 ene 100 no Say 011 no.
011 say wo nidi anopa.
Anopa wo nidi.
Wo didi awia ne anwumre.
Awia didi enu kra na na say na anya papa bia sa wo de anwumre no obo heavy no de ko. You will be so ho a 001. Na so no anopa onidi awia onidi anwumre no adidi. Obi wo so a 010 anopa onidi. Enye say on pay aduane o. Oni ska ode betonto. Sha dan no de say dey ase common no. Koduru awia mu ho a na opa banku heavy bi. Eno o hwe a they are coming in so now the call. You see, and yeah, it's not about you can't say yeah, we better say yeah over exaggerated, but they are gonna phone them no. And then among 4 be oko if you home, bro. Send the banku see wow this period no.
Banku.
Yes, baby, kabanku ni baby. Niso. Tia ya on kran mu twimo ko bako na kran te ho na moko ira wa no. Just say Ghana for ye de mu kra sesa. Nti omo ye de omo we am omo no. I want them to feel how we are feeling. As I say omo e do omo hu gina ye hu akosi boni say you put yourself in our shoes. Because say one put yourself in our shoes na uhwe wo Land Cruiser na utimu nu na wo de no na wo de ka de you will not feel what we are feeling no. But Ghana ni na on them streets ni so no. Omo na hu kire wo mu. Bro omo we enko yi o. People are really struggling in this country. But na me didn't come about young youth I started here Bob Chromasin. But the average Ghanaian now is struggling to even use car kit to be cry. Say, oh dear, open car kit bit to say, and honorable Modia Canibi. Oh dear, say honorable can de last me can necessity to say a matches attack and boo near that. Now so Uber used to 1 gallon a day. It's about 55 Ghana cedis. A month, 1,500. Now, bro, even in this beautiful this investment, how many people here get 3,000 cedis a month? So if your movement alone, say, what is Sokoban? And at the Bia also a better or Sompa. Now you so matches. Now to 1 gallon, and only from Sokoban to Sompa. So now see, oh, Omanhene Dinya se men kwachi na enso enti ano no ba straight freezing zim 1 gallon pen 1,500 and the here to sustain your fuel oil maintenance mai car ni bibia mai wo nkra ofie wo behwe wo oye no ma ho o maame amajebua esekutokuom ese bosome so ade kakra sende no and then rent so say you this ankomo we ya na wo ye obi a wo ne de o man na ma wa. You should open up. They hear me asset now about President Kufuor. They say President Kufuor was able to open up.
What do you say when you say open up? What do you mean?
Say obeja tum say oh adere enye miana me this time I am trying to do a new thing. But anytime they have opportunity, they try to honor the question of mama.
But the president has admitted say ahochire wo me. Now, yeah, admission now. Obe so kase dey say I am from so.
No, I am from Sankini. Bro, so I am from Sankini. Again, I am a fear of Mukui. Now, senior restructuring. Now, or try to so obey fear from the system. On a platform like this, you better make design common. So, yeah, a man for being a panic withdrawals. Any idea. But a bigger effect on the financial sector. When government is looking at, say, or the domestically, or your restructuring. Now, and come on, and say, Bosiana Mabono, minty ya. Times I'm no coin, minty yancy sem. And this be a interest rate, no, Nanke be a 30%, a be a Tim Subra 20%. Ebia time I senka a mature, maybe a 10 years, a be a fabra 5 years. Sanya mana oh yeah no. Sikasemo. Even 1% in the financial sector is money. And to say nipa no matter how I want to beka.
But that's why he's saying that he's going to target. The target will be corporate institutions.
The corporate institutions. Corporate institutions.
Individuals.
They don't use their pocket money to run. And you mean me no sika that bank hono and a bank ne they run. And so any decision you are taking on them, no matter how the decision is, it will have a replication on the Ghanaian on the street. To affect us. So when Honorable seeks to paint a picture, say, yes, it is true. Ebia, it do not Ebia young quotation go physical or bank. Epenya impact. Even ukokra sa okwa kwaje bosia. Onim say when there's available the liquidity say bank no will scabi bre.
Solid.
Solid. And otimi e ma nipa bebre bosia. So if the squeezy bank no na ne ho akere na oniska ontimi mo nipa bebre bosia.
The borrowing will be
yes,
lending will be expensive.
Already interest rate to cry tun say no. This government is borrowing at 31%. Aban no ya risk free. You can say risk free and I'm say ya aban nti no.
Aban de ko betua.
Enye hu. Jire so a obetua. Nti sa wo aban bosia. Enye hu de say dia wo de bo kwa me etua. Anasa wo de bo na bo ore kodu anasa is on mills. Individuals are different. Even individuals ne wo mu say wo person wo go into finance bonso omo so no ebi mu gina yie say me ne Omanhene nyepe. Say mo but even in that perspective in that perspective everybody want to borrow to government rather than to borrow to individuals. But aban na ono risk free no or borrow at 31%. Maybe come here to am come bank ho a ye am saying. No, you're looking at around 41%. In this okobabosia 1,000 Ghana cedis or bank is here. Nasa will say utriano within a year. Nasa bank ne say or the amount at 40%. I just say 1,400. What kind of country is this? Oh my benny. Say makobabosia 10 million. And can easy cano. Afe bakope. Me chance home 4 million. Adea abuy no crampo na or no why abuy no or no babosia as 31%. But enkomo na ye die no na maka se ohun you see as I say omo tenase na omo edu omo hu gina etda omo mra street ni bi na omo ni amonfo ni enkomo no omo hu the reality so that omo take decision it will shape how they take the decisions because me enkomo omo die ne restructuring ni adade
na hu so omo form
I don't see how ebetuma be yi animanim ba enkomo ye die nyina me ma Ghana fo ni ahwefo ehwe ncha se IMF no omo tabo no mu nya fam oyo IMF conditionalities nyam feel you.
But now they don't deal with conditionalities.
But no matter how you do. So ukofo obi say mabu oman. Masel oman no. Ajemensem. These are the words they used. I don't have brains to run. When we went to IMF, they describe it say be a tibon koso ye ni adwen edibu man ase no. So now they are there. So we can also use the same words for them even though I don't want to repeat them. That is how we are measuring them by their own standards. Say yen ya say o man no and this for munnim amamu no mko IMF you are day to day now nipa na oba no oba be ensure say wo sikasema ayeye and na honorable kan unim say o man very smart now they have done away with NABCO. He was draining them if say figures some of them are correct 77 million every month. Now o ma take bold decision NABCO free government bills. So no matter the noise I be opa ko hu 2% Akufo-Addo NABCO will not come back. People are reading meanings to say, oh man, no, who. And I say, no, if me a NABCO trainees in Yadi. Opa, Kura, which I condemn is you who, my dear. NABCO will not come back because government now, or not as say, or releasing home from near maybe, what to like be mu, what to water be mu, where he NABCO free ho. And meeting IMF, no, now they have something in hand. Say, oh, a month for no crown already, I am pushing in them. Matola be move over 20%. Mato water be move over 20%. Macha NABCO. Eti at least I am trying to do something to get out from my votes.
Okay.
What I say. Then almost do omo dia be ba. Oya there IMF will come with conditionalities. Almost be tell say okay, yes you share what dey mu no. Men nyalu ewiem bi mu.
So what admission do you want from the government? Say onyintum say why dey, why am from so.
Wow.
From that premise, they move okay.
Recently, Dr. Baumia say nyina was had the share NDC. Something. What befa I fence on mine 6 years into your government, you are still blaming your predecessor. Hey, Dr. Baumia incompetence ya we dey buy. Unya sure say ono na we dey no na ono na asem na no work. Because you have been handed over an economy, a financial guru like you. As you painted the picture for us to know, said Dr. Baumia, they said we was economic messiah. Yeah, run the economy now. Be beyond the sign. Then we say question you answer Brian. If you saw Dr. Baumia for Ghana economy,
ɛdeɛ bɛn titiri paa na asesa wɔ economy yi mu amadi bibi ase nkɔmɔ a yɛdie from time ani wɔ fi dada mbɛsi na ne no ana ne yɛdi aba Ghana's economy
so man na
that so blame upidi says John Mahama anytime you have opportunity you go back and blame John Mahama ya handle economy ama 6 years you are still blaming John Mahama.
Okay. Eso.
What?
Mami too.
Yo, me just so bro. Me do asen so. Na ma me fa kwan so na me nche tie fo ne ahwefo a omo ehwe. Na abusia fo so am no mo fidie mo me nche obi biara. Me mo hwi nkom manhia na me hira opem so. Opem so wada ro ma me hira wa no pa yebu. Ensam na yaka no omampani edoso atu aka bi. Menua Collins so aka bi. Minim baby NDC for mo pese o mine komodie no baby a ye different and ase baby a e was e di kowie o ma ho den a o mo de akwa gina debt restructuring so honorable House of Parliament you say House of Records since 1992 and asa the free since 1980s. A free structural adjustment program, economic recovery, democratic rule. At what point in a Ghana any debt restructuring?
It's a very normal practice in finance.
At what point?
Very normal practice.
Oh, the debt restructuring, no, the overall exercise our person will engage. But a quite of a fast one will be no. May differ from one regime, one period to another. Obeke maybe finance minister said tepe. Eka so me smart borrowing. Good. Adea no kind of say. E kana e way in books mu no. Na e be interest rate na attract no. E was so. E mera was e di tua no. Eben enti yahwehwem ahu se enkrofo bi oba a saa sik eka na yede wo Omanhene na no a wo gi ehu nsi ho no yebetumi akwakogi sika bi afiri wo mo ho na wo mo nso de ne de akwakogi kura wo mfie mienu na wo si etua ene ewoye sebi atwamene bo a omo de ne kroma yo madwon so mo de be maye mfie be enum ne mfie enum no ebi afe baako ana mienu na di kan no kra de o se onye mewe na emom na wo gimi nsi ho ebi a wo ha mo abupon du no mu a ono kra nso de o se ya sha ase mfie miensa achi na obesan ama me de ama me wo ha mo abupon edumienu enti se wo kuchire nkrata na de kokoye sa de no na wotumi nya sika e de replace the existing debt na you have restructured your debt ana meboa
yeah
enti adentina chinchina etwan yenka asem no se obi belusu ni sika enye se a haircut or say be institutional investors na kura menu ye kan kura no eno enye the only aspect or the only opportunity available when you are going to the table for that negotiation enti medwe ho amenti ase se enkrofo bi pese ye di nkomo no se your ball debt restructuring no so no de eno ano no no we ready a normal IMF omo year when it comes to debt sustainability activities omo year there are several things omo year balance of payment support ebia omo to me amount facility in suspension and anticipation say bia wo debt to be a bit and maturity no edru ho no ma omo abetumi akoloni no no omo atua na it's there. And as a country, we have been doing this over and over and over and over again. I'm not proud about it as a sovereign country, but that is what we've been doing, right? And until mentias yes and this 4% narratives, you know, yes, it's no. Masendi document be amount a monetary policy committee report. Our release, July 25th, 2022. Paragraph 23. Actually, our gross international report. Our gross, we say the picture back could be document now. I'm saying a 7-page document.
What I have here is the foreign exchange reserve for Ghana. which is 7.6.
The screenshot here.
Yeah.
Now or say we say crowd the finance minister by into one penny. Now was a Bank of Ghana Edeba. Before even finance minister going to parliament, now monetary policy committee I report on July 25th say a gross international reserve was 7.7 billion.
Yeah.
Now the mistake was that by then 3 months na de na eba no honorable. Now our gross international reserves a bet to me aboye to 3 months.
Yeah.
So
3 months import
3
cover.
months import cover. In the 3 months import cover no, and say typographical error. And
3 billion.
Good. And they are aware. And this is for they are aware. You see, they are so intelligent. He's smart. I will not say he's ignorant. He's so smart, but he's lying. And then he's aware. He knows. He can go through Bank of Ghana's portal to assess it. He may have it. But they feel that my uncle can say, and it is not going to inure to anybody's benefit. We don't like doing a comparison, but there's something going on. Yeah, Ghanaians, we should not think say we are living in isolated world. Unim baba be friend Kwesi Kwarteng.
Yeah,
the Chancellor of Exchequer.
Exchequer. Aye.
And now our car say taxes or baba taxes or so no. Unim UK pound said I depreciate. Now come me baba taxes wa. Me currency dey depreciate say. Me na me say me kuro ma for taxes am baba jeje no. Mate so dia mamo. By saying that merely
and being the exchequer
and being the Bank of England head no obi an omote ho na waka asem na no yesi wo sika no I depreciate.
And I'm a member of parliament. I can say
good.
He's a superficial black.
I
mean, suspending.
You see, when you think that this effect can happen somewhere, now the officer it cannot happen to you
by your comments.
How do you think? Oh yeah, me what? Sa normal we say no. And some ACC just within this September. IMF boss, Kristalina Gordieva, or say IMF chief wants there will be more people on the street globally unless some steps are taken. And I'll say inflation globally, when you go to Germany, in Germany, this is late Yaw. Their economy is in recession.
They are on track for recession.
Yes, you see, IMF block, they sent this to me. So, we say it tells you, say, there is something fundamentally shaking the world economy. And they talk about inflation, they talk about this, and what they do, let us increase our policy rate. So Ghana is not doing anything different. But traditionally, as a emerging market or developing country, inflation threshold, it is always far ahead than the developed countries. But they say, not say America inflation, now it will be between 2.7. Now say almost 11%. That time in America they 2.7. Or that time 2016. Now you are also doing over 17%. And the Argentina Saudi could do 33. No, they are moving from 2%. We say won't say. And until Omanhene. So what thing different idea? As I'm talking to you now, go to India and go and see how they are suffering as far as their pharmaceutical industries are concerned. All because almost global supply chain concern akosoro. Obi day. And what kind all these documents? There's one fundamental a common denominator that runs through this document. They associate everything to the pandemic and Russia-Ukraine war. Ghana for say the nkabi crunch. Hey, but what do we say? So say nkabi chire nese say wo kofa container back na 4,300. Not because of this. Container na kofa free China na no. Say akwa kodru $14,000. Wo say ma obi nka chire wo say Science and phone air cost hono. Ama container baako price a free 4,300. I could do 14,000 more binka. I mean, me do how many tears your mind. I think we want God to create another universe for Ghanaians alone, so that you bet me a movie free. Try there. But until to extent to say or if we say we are part of the global village, you know, I tell you, we are part. Let me cast some intro. Omo ton jewelry. Omo di gold ni diamond ya de no. Ubeka ya omampani mills pencil na gold an ounce. Na ye 1,000 a crambo 1,100. Enu na ma omo gu AGA e wo boase a. Ombeka drop up him so say. Ombeka drop him so nkoto no $1. So what just?
And this no go AGA.
Oh, NDC and go AGA, but
what?
NDC time NDC happen soon AGA crumble.
Me say if for due to their bad policies, because when they wanted to do the redevelopment, I know person some giveaways, some holidays. Mama say no.
Oh wow, look at this. Oh.
Go ahead.
Oman penny kufu Dubai. Our here employment over 7,000 people, direct employment of Wasi Pubinyano. So he considered to say me tax because at the end of the day, from 2015 now, 2014 now you go Obwase Maison. 2017 about Enegu.
Obwase nearly became a ghost town.
Good. Enti semi pe why $7 billion every one farmer me. Na me ma be 7,000 yejuma. Na me say okay for 7,000 no. Na me ma 7,000 enya juma sustainably until infinity. Right? But say yeah ka say good. I could do over $2,400 per ounce and I'm boy. So do you accept? Say omo to gold wo Ghana hana na move from 1,100 to 2,400 no. No akwa Dubai. Wakwa Saudi Arabia. Wakwa India, wakwa China. Now we blame your Chinese government to say utia bon won't just what bon say what Ghana for at home go move from 1,100 to 2,400. Do we make this argument? Do you make this argument? So in as much as I say yetihanoma there be a place oh you bet me export to bro you bet me export to cocoa you bet me export to bayre desa ye pese ebo no nkosoro na wo export when you sikano. Likewise they also want to derive premium from their export. And it's a normal say koswa as part of the government strategy so be manipa atono me when people say IMF ba no more buy free SHS. Me, free SHS, I always say, even the government, we are shortchanging Ghanaians. Because I don't see, say over, let's say, 5 years. 5 years, you are spending around 7.7 billion Ghana cedis. Yes, free SHS. We need to spend 3 billion Ghana cedis on free SHS every year. Divide 7 by 3, 1.2 billion. Now Ghana for Soria. You see, free SHS, we need to escalate it to 4 billion Ghana cedis a year. And that is what me catch the government to say, because if we want to go forward as a country, we need to say, be investing in the human development capacity.
All right, thank you.
Lastly,
time. Just 2 minutes. They were interview.
Electricity tariff. Residential. We have new tariff here. 2017 per kilowatt hour. Now 2016 here 17 cedis 54 pesos. Say cry see a buy no atumu no. Say see a 17.08 compared to 17.84. So it tells you that baby there has been some increases, but relative to 2016 we are still doing better.
Okay. Honorable, wrap up for me. Wrap it up for me.
And then Daddy Lumba birthday.
What's the answer?
Daddy Lumba birthday. Okay.
And then Lumba birthday.
Okay. The greatest of all time. And you made him fan for her.
But Teresa not the fire.
In pim dom.
Teresa there. A pim dummy. And they on your back. Ah, okay. I'll wrap up a little bit. Ciao.
Open MPP for
So why not people now boy and no question.
It's the Lumba birthday, but that's your CID. What don't for?
CID. Manso me am CID.
Yes.
Mini
And birthday.
Jawa said. Mini so shame.
And that's me delegate back and that's my and that's your birthday.
Okay.
I wish him. Minia, and some of ye Kenya, I'm sure say in Ghana can continue. In Comoe Dina, a Ghana can Minia, as some more Kenya, a Ghana can go.
Almost say G, made the crater be mouth. Now what can I say to be over the pie? Moses in the humor. Say G, be anymore. Oh,
Minia,
I was going
it's important. Say we have some challenges. This is the time where I say Ghana for rally behind the government. There we are in this. We are people.
When him some tea, I'm okay. I'm actually back. Beverly do watch and birthdays. You see how? Yeah, I mean, but my chili bow. 1 mother, 1 father, just said, Chayo.
It's mess say
Beverly and do watch.
System no.
System no. Let me say a big birthday to you, Beverly and do watch. The husband is the accountant general, commercial bank.
Okay.
Bobie. And then the kids, Aso and Cranshe, and for myself, Edna, my wife, and then the entire family, Aso, your mother and the brothers, Kofi, Obed, and even Perez. I am out happy birthday, Mammy too.
It's not American. It do baby. Sometimes we put aside too much of the politics. Me top petrol. Me of parliament. Me come top petrol.
How will we say Mom Petrol?
Petrol no. Me near petrol as me. Baby or turn one I'm got on. So the price now affect me. It affects also. It's what can we do? I see a rally behind the government. You can find a way. I said be too much of the politics no.
MY. Mami too.
Minim baby come on AG ABP. But a very 30 seconds on that. Not for my name.
It's some Pakubi be any hobby. Okay, AG anywhere.
A private company. They took a private decision. And your Ghana government and they take a decision ma AG. Statement on the bar one thing almost say baby all my mind here could do no sophisticated machines on being here. So they are looking for partnership. Until then, no, they are going to redundancy. Way, bro, way. It's a Okuta master say. Or can we and the Otia say your mama and good AG. I mean, how do you sit on platform and make this propaganda and go? So I know
next week.
Now, oh, it's a Minu na basing. Now,
grounding AG in 2014. Any no more sign about best started 2017. No, I'll bring you that operation.
It will not change anything. Some yana no rubbish.
Hospital.
Ghana ni bia owo krom asin. Sebi dokuna to ahye de hu a otumu sabin. Obia hu se President Kufuor Adamamu wi and NDC amamu e bebu ya. I just want kind of crunch on. This is the worst government ever.
Thank you.
You won't be that.
Mami too. SL.
Yes, kwa go tell.
SL yanko. 1 minute. Now you said that. Thank you on that note. Thank you very much. Mama Obia, thank you very much. It's a grace gift.
Grace gift what? I'm on for call. Oh, I'm on for call. I'm on for Jayaresa. Come on.
Ajumi be any come wide. I hope you do much.
Grace. Samunya nkania eyemu. Na ne bo no mutimi tia, ne bo no mutimi tia. Se Ebua Kasim. Sorry me enko.
Mo sorry come ni come.
Se Ebua Kasim. Mutimi to ne bo no mutimi to. Ah, Grace gift. Obo prepaid meters crowd boy. So I do any so sorry young boy. Who go put a question wey here.
The light off. Now say hey.
Okay. But any come on.
Na me aminu abema Peter Owusu Mensa okwa asori o Calvary Methodist Church Calvary Youth ono so ne birthday na enne nansa me man belated happy birthday nyame mfa mfie bebre nka ne mfie ho ba bi o bia me chia no Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services yaresa fie na obi bebisa se edenti ena wosi ede ani kire Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services.
That's
Grace
right.
Gift no ma bebre na ma dance na Omanhene said de obia ahwefo ne atiefuo nyina anim no yentena fidie so wa abra yemfa first aid emma anase yenkire duro ebra sebe bibi asi mpofri mu no e wo se wunya bibi di twitwaje ho.
That's right.
Enu ntie ne Dr. Grace Bodu wo se me fanto ahwefo ne atiefuo nyina anim se sia said de weda na ye no ensuo no a etoto no weda na ye wo mu no sebe yare no edoso nti wantimi amo ho ba yi a ebe chichire obu okra na wonyare na weda na mo na waye cheseda bia na waye cheko wantimi nya ho hwe ba dru sabre o so timi ye active enough sa wo ya baba wa so ya brantie wo sori ahomache no abo nsuo nyu no ate asim nsuo no tokra na wonamu na wo kwasa de nyina enamu yi enu nti Dr. Grace Bodu se ebra wo fie no se bia odihie bi empofrimu emergency na bia obehu se prekope sebe na no echim ni nipadua na echim ana obehu ane se watwahwe na ne fa no ejojo no eno no nya afa na obetumika akowuram ewura bi ho a obetimi ate na wodi achiro na nsusu bia na ba bia wo na ewura na ebi meo enu nti Dr. Grace Bodu se emfanto obi biara nim se ebra wodi hie bi wo hu se prekope na no echim na ananso se ne nsa echi ana obehu ase watwahwe prekope na ne fa ejojo no bomode na pe warm water eye nsuo dede ya warm water na wanoa wode ne nan ni mienu nyina sisim warm water na de ne nan mienu ni nyina sisim na wode ne nan mienu sisim a no wape towel no afọ no eno de cold water normal water ya no afọ towel ne pacha na wode ato na pampem sei wunya de to na pampem a ebra ne dimpadua no ejuju na fro afri ne fom na de aba beduru ne suru nti eduru ho no ma ebra nsuonyu da na pampem no ebejuju na ama bibia aka nti nya ade a sede stroke na echi no prekope no eduru na pampem ebegina ho no ma ntimi nya ade a stroke no bechi no ama na ye gidigidi so nti sa wo ye ne sa wi ansana wodo de hye na ba na afi ya hwe na adekodi a ekoso no yetimi asia no kwantem enu nti se be ya stroke ni nche wo de hye no empofri mu no wunya hu ne sa pe we ye first aid enu de wo kitchen ho ano warm water ensuo de na wo de hye na mienu asisim na wo fota wo nsuo nyunu na wo de ato na pampem bibia be ye boko eduru na pampem pa bibia beka nya ade a stroke no ebe kekere na to fom ena afenso Dr. Grace Bodu si ansa nso mfa yensa nto yensayem ni yensra mo se weda ne se de aye no de biara da no pa early in the morning obi amomode se obenum warm water glass baako anopa bia ansa no afrifie enwumre so obedo a no anom warm water ansa na wo de ada wanya bia kora no anopile in the morning wonum a ebeboa ebusu immune system no eboa ma moja ne timi na ne kama ye adwuma ma entini ne sebe sade ne nyina so na ne no ma ne ba abonten enti bomoden na ye sade we na moaye na ansa na meto aso akasa Dr. Grace Bodu number no eye 0543 32 00 30 0543 32 00 30 and 0242
okay Dr. Grace Bodu number
the number no me
and 0543
0543 32 00 30 o friend no so no anya obetim dia fa we nsusu 0242 72 52 74 0242 72 52 74 and 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 Omanhene minua no ma no da bia mpempi dodo na complain a lot. Woma ye complaints bebre na no say lady be frame me wie me kasa wie wa ha na frame say na o hwe me na problem a wo face ni sebe wo yo ba wo se wa ye lab bi e ko hene ba hene bia attest aya ye culture sebe ote wa na ensuo egu no da biara da wo so you super sometimes what me change it 3 times in a day and sometimes 2 times in a day and that one change it 2 times e bi okra 4 times in a day and so na nya se wanya ne mensi so e ba sebe ye nsufia egu no a che se nya papa na wa yes ade na ye lab ya akoye culture Omanhene culture no so de sebe ye fa wasensuo na ye de egu afidie no so na ye nya de to afidie no so a ye yes culture test na enu abedi tete hu se bia eye gonorrhea ana syphilis ana white ana STDs infections ni bi na afidie no anso a kire se edro wei ene betimi akusa virus ana sa bacteria no na enso wa ye ni nyina ya still well yeah almost bibia woni infection bia ena make kire se eye fibroid with infection no ogimechi nam so onko Grace Gift and any 3 days were frame wo di adanse Omanhene fibroid sebe di e man dodo na anya ebre bi atwam na nka enim se ansa no obi benya fibroid ne sebe wanya be 70 plus 80 plus a wawo ne manyina awie ensusu enne youthful age ababa wa sebe at the age of 18 20 25 30 35 for no na fibroid sebe sa fibroid we ebeje wa wodie ne boso a eya yare bi a ebeda ema awudiem na ebeda wa awudiem ebeye den beye nwanwa pa se we anyi amfiri ho no ma ubetimi awo eba ma na ye yie enu nti oba bi wo ho no ma ema dodo na edi wo munya esi wo mu awo ho kwan se bi wo munim obi wo ho no ma signs and symptoms na sha se ede adi te se de eminu aba de am kan ensuo obi wo ensuo gu saa wonim na de ban bomade na fo ni kire Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services na Grace Gift nko na se fibroid we etetewa yem fasikai enka ni ayo surgery na mom eye nubrane haba ma no nko na Dr. Grace Bodu obekika bom no ama wanom wonum a sebe ebe na ne fibroid ni nyina ba ma ho ato infections bi a ho bia nso no ye betreat ama ebe yi ni nyina fi ama ho ato me nua ba no sha ase ko oni 2 weeks wasi adwubi nyame nhira waboa me wasi se sebe okoya ye testing ye lab man hu say ye no crese fibroid ye try and scan we hu say ye no cre was starting so anum adro within 3 days ena sebe nsuo na egu ni nyina ayira free ni paduam 2 weeks ni menu aba na edi adanse enu ntime sro fibroid no obu ho ma sebe e ba so a wonim obu ho aye lab ye hu say e fibroid wo ho ana sebe ade ne namoyem te sede sebe obu asa omo nyinse da no ene namoyem se kwa na aba obi so ana fo wa yase obi so on ma sebe wonim se ebi aba na susu be hu se sebe wonya omensesa na wo breedi profusely wo breedi pa moja 2 ma ne broso e ba ne sa e fibroid antibomodin se wo besi anokwan medical catch say Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services nkoa e na wo bedru ho no ma yɛde nubra ne habama ɛyɛ wo surgery in a normal and natural way ɛno nti bɔ mmɔden na bra na tete ate mpɔn no ɛno ani Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services ebi nka ho biem sɛ bi ka ho de a na ɔde ɔka ho no wonya ma MPA Ghana na sɛ wiase ɛno nti me srɔw sɛ Dr. Grace Bodu wɔkɔduru Dubai a sɛbe wɔde bibiduro sɛbe wɔde sa broni ɛtwo Omanhene wase saa asɛm no
mate ba
Dubai no
wɔde
sanete wahyɛ na yi ne trouser no wɔfa mo keka na kyɛ sɛ nti sɛ wɔn to nsa frɛ ne sɛ ɔmra hɔ no de ne yɛ sɛ hwɛ na yɛ hanom no ofre ha na wɔso wɔde gye nipa akwa yɛ ni aba hɔnom ɛno nti me dɔfo pa wotie me sɛ ɛyɛ fibroid na ɛtete wo anaasɛ yɛtwo anaasɛ sɛ hernia yareɛ bi ɛtete wo no for wani kyerɛ Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services na hɔ nko a ɛna ɔba yɛbɛnya ayaresa papa ɛno nti mesraw sɛ wo pɛ baabi papa ma ho atɔ na yɛ natural way na nyɛ chemicals ɛbɛsan so de nsunsuaso bɔne abɛwura nipadua no mesraw fo ani kyerɛ Grace Gift ɛsan sɛ Garden of Eden hɔ no Tree of Life no nyame dua sɛ ɛnye yɛ nkwane nsa yareɛ na ma yɛ ho ntɔyɛ ne ani suade hunu mram sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ apɔmuden sisi ne ho so no Grace Gift Kumasi anom yɛasoɛyɛ ɛwɔ Oshim School Junction mesra mo nya Oshim ase ɛyɛ Oshim School Junction a ɛwɔ Barekese kwan so wuduru hɔ no ma Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services yɛwɔ hɔ ɛnkran pumpuni mantam nso yɛwɔ New Achimota Petroleum Bungalow yɛne Family Life International School that's right ɛna di nhwɛ mu enti bra mesra doctor number no ansa na masɔre the number no is 0543 32 00 30 0543 32 00 30 and 0242 72 52 74 0242 72 52 74 and at the chat is 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services, home of quality health care. Apomode papa perfie bra na beje.
Thank you very much Ajubi Kete. Sam radio mi peja mi mu na ansana Abu Dhabi ni na pam for better ase no. Yentie komotia wa in free 21st clinic.
Wante uni pediase a. Ana so say wa hodi. Yare bia when you free. Timanu